Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. Welcome to our EquiTalks episode number 40. Today is December 6, 2019, Friday. My name is JC De Guzman. In this episode, I'll be discussing my analysis for Philippine Airlines or PAL Holdings Incorporated with a stock code of PAL or PAL for short. And the question that I'm going to answer in this episode is this: has PAL touched the runway already? Meaning to say, has it already found its bottom? Is it already bound to, to take off from the runway? Well, let me give you first what I see on my analysis, and then we will get there to the answer to that question for that question. Okay, so PAL closed on Friday at 7.63. Support is at, let me magnify this chart. Support is at 7.46. The immediate resistance is pegged at 8.53. Foreign fundies did not register a net foreign on Friday, but there's nothing to worry about their participation because it's an insignificant amount year to date. Now, the 10 SMACD combo of my evergreen strategy gives PAL a bearish rating. Right here, right off the bat, I can tell you already that there's no confirmed buy signal for PAL. The historical volatility of PAL is at 23.7%, and that categorizes PAL as a low risk stock. But warning, a low risk level does not mean a buying confirmation or a confirmed buy signal for any stock. I am only using this historical volatility risk level thingy for me to measure if the stock is fluctuating erratically or inorganically, so to speak. And you can hear more about the rationality behind this the usage of my historical volatility to measure the risk level of a stock in my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. And most of my clients call it an online stock market seminar. Some call it an online stock market course. Whatever you want to call it, you will find it on our website at www.equilyst.com, and then click on the course menu or course page on the homepage on our website. Now, going back to my analysis, I can see on the DMI chart that the negative DMI is hovering the positive DMI, and I am not seeing a bullish convergence between these two lines. ADX is also above 25 points. So this clearly tells us, and I'm telling you, that the descent in price is still more than likely to hit the support at 7.46, if not lower. Okay? For the momentum power, indicator, it's also bearish. We can see on my trade and volume distribution analysis that the dominant range is closer to the intraday low than the intraday high. For the true market sentiment for Friday, it's also bearish. For week to date, it's also bearish. And we can get any help at all from those two true market sentiment charts for two different time frames. So they also second the motion when I said a while back that the downtrend is still more than likely to continue. Now, for my recommendation, by the looks of what has been happening on the price of PLDT since the first quarter of the year, none of us should have PAL rather, I'm sorry, Philippine Airlines or PAL in our portfolio. For sure, your trailing stop must have already been hit, okay, based on what has been happening on its price. So that's my advice. I'm not going to give any advice for those who may still have it, because if you still have it, that only means one thing, that you have no idea what a trailing stop is, and you have no clue how important risk management is. Okay? And if I were you, if this phrase trailing stop, what's risk management? If these are alien to you, I recommend that you subscribe to our Evergreen Strategy in Trading and Investing in the Philippine Stock Market course or seminar on our website so that you will learn more about my strategy from stock selection all the way to the execution of the plan. By the way, my strategy, this Evergreen Strategy, works whether we are talking about short-term trading or long-term investing. Going back to my analysis for PAL, if you don't have PAL then congratulations, you are in a better position. You are in a cash position, which is one of the best positions, especially, most especially, when there are zero confirmed buy signals on the chart, on the stock. Okay? So don't buy it yet. Do not apply the quote unquote buy the dips mentality here. It doesn't make sense right now. Why would you buy the dips when you know that it's more than likely to continue moving to the south? All right? So just keep on monitoring it. If you're interested in trading the name, add it into your watch list, but not yet into your actual portfolio. All right? So that's my analysis and recommendation, and that's the answer to the question for this EquiTalks episode number 40. And for those of you who are asking how to subscribe, how to access my or our investment guide for long-term investors, our daily video with 10 trade setups for short-term traders, how to access our private clients forum so that you can ask me and my team with unlimited questions actually, and as trading happens, and how can you access also, or how can you get a 2-month free access to First Metrosec Pro, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines, and more. Okay, there are 6 inclusions in our subscription service. And by the way, the online stock market course is not part of the subscription service. If you'd like to have an access to my online stock market video on demand course, the Evergreen Strategy, you need to purchase that one, that VOD separately from the subscription service. But for further instructions and for more details about the subscription service, please visit our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe menu or subscribe page on our website. Again, thank you for watching, listening to this EquiTalks episode number 40. My name is JC De Guzman. Always remember, be evergreen.